Hi everyone, this is lesson number 55, HSK free, chapter number 19. We have 2 more chapters in this book. And let's learn new words. First for today it's 眼睛,眼睛. Sometimes it's with a zero tone. I think almost all the time it's with zero tone. 眼睛. Wait, this one. 眼睛,眼睛,眼睛, eyes. As you can see, it could be eye, could be eyes. As you can see, we have a character mu on the left part of both of this character, 眼睛, and another character is just for pronunciation. This one is gan, this one is 睛, but here is 眼睛, a bit different, but still could help. First one, my eyes are very tired. 我的眼睛很累。我的眼 sometimes it could be 眼睛 but mostly 眼睛很累 累 it's tired, so 我的眼睛 my eyes 很累 very tired. Mostly it's about eyes, not one eye, because it's one eye is meaningless. Let's say another one. He looks at me with his eyes. 他用眼睛看我。他用 he uses 眼睛 eyes 看 to look or to look at me. So in English he looks at me with his eyes. Sometimes 用 could be with something, but mostly use. 他用眼睛看我。This one is okay. Next one. Her eyes are very beautiful. 她的眼睛很漂亮，很漂亮。她的眼睛 her eyes 很漂亮，很漂亮 very beautiful. This one is pretty easy, right? 她的眼睛很漂亮，眼睛。眼睛 most like 真睛。Next one is 头发，头发 hair. 头 it's a head, 发 it's like to issue to create something, but here is just you can like a hair, like your head sent something like, but mostly hair, 头发 they work together, you cannot separate because 发 has a lot of different meanings. My hair is very short. 我的头发很短 but we need together 很短 短 is short, right? 我的头发 my hair 很短 very short, very short. 我的头发很短 Next one. She washes her hair very carefully. 她洗头发很认真。她洗 he washes because she 她洗 as you remember wash clothes, wash dish, also this 洗。她洗头发 he wash her hair 很认真 very carefully, also carefully or seriously, but mostly carefully. Here is okay. 她洗头发很认真。Next one. His hair is blue. 他的头发是蓝色的。蓝 it's a blue, 色 it's a color. 蓝色 it's a blue. You cannot say just 蓝。 you need to say 蓝色 green blue color。他的头发 her hair 是蓝色的，蓝色的。蓝色的，对，蓝色的 blue。So it's a color, right? Next one is 鼻子。鼻子 nose nose. Let's see. My nose is very cold. 我的鼻子很冷，很冷。我的鼻子 my nose 很 is very 冷，冷 cold。我的鼻子很冷 is very cold。我的鼻子很冷。Oh, my nose is feel cold, right? We can check some. My nose is cold. I have a cold nose. My nostrils are not nostrils. Okay. Next one. He touches his nose. 他摸他的鼻子。他摸 to touch to feel, grab, stroke, fondle. But more it's a bit advanced word. I think HSK 4 or 5. So just for learning purpose, not to right now you don't need it. 他摸他的鼻子，他摸他的鼻子。He touched her nose，他的鼻子。Next one, in autumn, my nose feel uncomfortable. 秋天鼻子不舒服。秋天sometimes it could be 秋天时 or 秋天的时候 or just 秋天 in autumn。秋天鼻子不舒服。鼻子 nose 不舒服 not comfortable, not feel well, uncomfortable, sick, ill, unwell, unpleasant. So discomfort. Some here just uncomfortable. 秋天鼻子不舒服，不舒服。This one 甜 is this t issue a lot of air from your mouth. So is this ch also a lot of air. 秋天鼻子不舒服。Next one is 耳朵 ear. Sometimes it could be just r or 耳朵。Let's see. My ears can't hear. 我的耳朵听不见，听不见。我的耳朵my ears 听 it's like to listen, to hear. 不见 here is 不见 not finished, but 听见 it's to hear something. Let's say 听见 couldn't hear, deaf, don't hear, audible. So this 不见 has different meanings. Disappear, steer, vanish, sight, so lose, invisible, is missing. 听不见 here is 不见 just like completion. Sometimes 听见听不见 I think it's for now it's still a bit advanced, but still you can see this construction, right? 听不见 can't hear. But you can translate like he tried to hear but not reached his hear. 我的耳朵听不见，听不见。For sometimes for grammar, I recommend you to learn by yourself. So no, you need to search a bit, maybe some grammar books because grammar is not a main goal of our course here. Here is me mostly learn words and how to use them in sentence. But for specific grammar points, still better to go to books. She listened to music with her ears. 她用耳朵听音乐。 音乐。他用 also he utilizes 耳朵 ears 听 to listen 音乐 music 音乐。We should listen to music with your ears. Sometimes we can just with or use. Meaning is the same. 他用耳朵听音乐，听音乐。他用耳朵听音乐。Next one, his ears are very big. 他的耳朵很大，很大。他的 hair 耳朵 ears 很大 is very big. 他的耳朵很大 her ears is very big 很大。This one is pretty easy, right? But you cannot say 他的耳很大。Sometimes we use R is like ear, right? But in some other words, if we want to say ear, we need to say 耳朵 like part of our body, right? But this ear is also used with some other translation, for example, for headphones, maybe for other words. 他的耳朵很大。Let's see next one. It's 嘴 mouth. Also is just a part of our body, not some abstract meaning. My mouth is very thirsty. 我的嘴 my mouth 很渴，很渴，it's thirsty, 渴。我的嘴很渴，我的嘴很渴。As you can see, if you read fast, you need second, third. 我的嘴很渴。Oh, okay. Next one, he speaks with his mouth. 他用嘴说话。So he speaks with his mouth, or he use his mouth. 他用嘴说话is to speak. Sometimes it could be spoke conversation, but mostly speak talk. 他用嘴说话。Next one, her mouth is very small. 他的嘴很小，very small. Also, this second term. 他的嘴很小，very small, 小。And last one for today, it's 脸 face. 脸 also on the left part, it's a character represented part of bodies or meat sometimes. Or meat, flesh, something like that. My face is very red. 我的脸很红。You cannot say 很红色 because it's not very red color. It's very red. So here we just use 红. But if you, for example, you say 我的脸是红色的 you cannot say 我是红色 Here's 红 just very red 很红我的脸 my face 很红 very red 很红 Next one, she washes her face very clean. 她洗脸很干净。她洗脸 but together 洗脸 to wash face 洗脸很 is very 干净 clear right clean or clearly cleaned comfortable 她洗脸很干净 And last one is his face is very cute. 他的脸很可爱。他的脸 his face 他的脸很 is very 可爱 cute. 他的脸 his face 很可爱 very cute, right? 他的脸很可爱。And let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 眼睛，眼睛 eyes， 头发，头发 hair， 鼻子，鼻子 nose， 耳朵，耳朵 ear， 嘴，嘴 mouth， and 脸，脸 face. And let's learn one new idiom for today. We were at 54, right? 四季五营 no silver here. 南辕北辙 南辕 go south but head north, contrary to the goal. 南辕北辙. And today we learn a new one, also a bit advanced. 拔苗助长 Ba is to pull up, miao seedling, Zhu help, Zhang grow. This one is pretty popular. Pull seedlings to help them grow, or spoil things with impatience. It's pretty popular in China. This one. Let me see. This one is really often to use. So when you too hurry to achieve your goal, and but it's not helpful. It's not helpful. Or to rush a quick success, something like that. To chase a quick success. Not wanted to really put hard job in something. He ruined his grades with impatience. 他拔苗助长，害了成绩。害了 it's to harm something, to ruin something. 成绩 it's grades. 他拔苗助长了，助长害了成绩。So he spoiled things with impatience, ruined his grades with impatience. So this one is really easy. Not it's not easy, but very pull, unplug, remove, plug, pull. So pull a seedling to help Zhu. We know Zhu, right? 帮助的 Zhu. And we know also 长的 长 grow. And let's repeat. 拔苗助长，拔苗助长. And that's all for today. See you in the next